What happens to your heart when you eat canned sardines? What if I told you that one of the cheapest, most ignored items in your grocery store holds a shocking secret about your heart's future? We're talking about that small, humble tin of sardines, usually tucked away behind the soup and beans. You've probably heard that sardines are a superfood for your heart, a little can packed with a nutritional punch. But what if that's not the whole story? What if that same can is a Pandora's box, holding not just the key to a stronger heart, but also hidden risks that could be silently working against you? The truth is way more complicated and surprising than you think. The story of what happens to your heart when you eat canned sardines is full of incredible benefits and startling risks. It's a journey that goes from the well-known power of omega-3s to the hidden truths about industrial chemicals. Most people, and even some health experts, only see the good side. They see the hero but miss the hidden villain. Today, we're prying open that tin can to reveal the 9 shocking things that happen to your heart, your arteries, and your blood when you eat sardines, and also what to avoid at all cost. What you're about to learn will change how you look at that little fish forever. Okay, let's dive into the benefits. Number 1. Your arteries will get a deep clean. The first and maybe the most amazing change starts deep inside your body, in the quiet, winding tunnels of your arteries. When you eat sardines, you're starting a deep cleaning process inside your arteries. The stars of this process are 2 powerful omega-3 fatty acids called EPA and DHA. And guess what? Sardines are one of the richest sources of these on the entire planet. Their first job is to attack something called triglycerides, which are fats floating around in your blood. High levels of these fats are a huge red flag for clogged arteries. The omega-3s in sardines have been proven to slash these fat levels, clearing dangerous junk out of your bloodstream. This isn't just a small tweak. It's a direct attack on one of the main causes of heart problems. At the same time, these omega-3s fight inflammation. Think of chronic inflammation as a slow-burning fire inside your blood vessels. It damages their lining and makes it easy for plaque, a nasty mix of fat, cholesterol, and calcium, to build up and create blockages. The powerful anti-inflammatory punch of sardines helps put out that fire, protecting your arteries and stopping that plaque from building up. This powerful, two-pronged attack is a major reason why the American Heart Association recommends eating fatty fish like sardines at least twice a week. Number 2. Saves you from an irregular heartbeat. Cleaning out your arteries is a great start, but it's only part of the picture. Your heart isn't just a pump, it's also run by a complex electrical system. One little glitch in that system can be a disaster. The second incredible thing that happens is that your heart's rhythm starts to get more stable, protecting you from a scary event called an arrhythmia. An irregular heartbeat, or arrhythmia, can mess up blood flow and is a major cause of sudden cardiac death. The omega-3s in sardines have a powerful calming effect on the heart's electrical wiring, making these dangerous, irregular beats less likely to happen. This means sardines aren't just clearing out your arteries, they're also helping to regulate the very beat of your heart. But it's not just the omega-3s. Sardines also deliver a knockout combo of minerals that are key for your heart's electrical signals. They're loaded with potassium and magnesium, 2 electrolytes that help control the nerve signals and muscle squeezes that make up your heartbeat. Research has shown that getting enough magnesium can lower your risk of stroke by 11 to 12%. The real power of the sardine is that it works on multiple systems at once. It cleans your arteries while also stabilizing your heart's electrical beat, a 2-for-1 benefit you won't find in many other foods. Number 3. Protect your heart's defenses. We're always told to get more calcium for strong bones. But what if the biggest threat to your heart is calcium ending up in the wrong place? There's a nasty process where mineral deposits build up in your arteries, making them hard and brittle. It's like your flexible blood vessels are slowly turning to stone. This massively increases your risk of a heart attack or stroke. But this is where sardines flip a hidden switch revealing a shocking link between your bones and your heart. The secret is the team-up between two nutrients found in sardines, vitamin D and calcium. Sardines are one of the few foods that are a natural source of vitamin D, which acts like a traffic cop for calcium in your body. It makes sure the calcium you eat goes to your bones where it's needed and stays out of your arteries where it can cause serious trouble. This is a huge protective benefit. One expert even noted that not getting enough calcium can, ironically, cause it to be pulled from your bones and end up hardening your arteries. What makes canned sardines so special here is that the canning process softens their bones so you can eat them. This gives you a massive, easy-to-absorb dose of calcium. A single 3-ounce serving can give you over 32% of the calcium you need for the day. By giving you both the calcium and the vitamin D to manage it, sardines don't just help your bones, they actively stop your arteries from becoming bone-like. It's a little-known but critical way they protect your heart from a totally unexpected threat. Number 4. Your blood will get a major upgrade. A healthy heart and clean arteries are great, but they don't mean much if the blood they're pumping is weak. The fourth amazing change happens inside your bloodstream itself. Eating sardines can give your blood a major upgrade, making it better and more efficient, which takes a huge load off your heart over the long run. The secret is two key nutrients that sardines have in shocking amounts: vitamin B12 and iron. A single 100-gram serving of sardines can give you a mind-blowing 373% of the vitamin B12 you need in a day. This vitamin is absolutely critical for making healthy red blood cells and keeping your whole nervous system in good shape. Working right alongside B12 is iron, another mineral you'll find plenty of in sardines. The amount of iron in sardines is right up there with red meat, making them a fantastic choice if you need to boost your levels. Iron is the main ingredient in hemoglobin, the protein in your red blood cells that grabs onto oxygen and carries it around your body. Together, B12 and iron make sure your body can build a strong and efficient army of red blood cells. This has a direct and powerful effect on your heart. When your blood is full of healthy, oxygen-carrying cells, your heart doesn't have to work as hard to get oxygen to all your tissues. This isn't a small thing. In fact, studies show that being low on iron is a big reason why patients with heart disease have worse outcomes. By giving you the building blocks for better blood, sardines help lighten the lifelong burden on your heart. Number 5. An invisible shield to the heart cells. Every single second, your heart cells are being attacked by unstable molecules called free radicals. This process, known as oxidative stress, is like a slow internal rust that damages your cells, fuels inflammation, and makes your heart age faster. The fifth thing that happens when you eat sardines is that an invisible shield forms around your cells, sending in a team of microscopic bodyguards to protect your heart from this constant damage. The leader of this protective team is selenium, a mineral that works as a powerful antioxidant. Sardines are packed with selenium, with a 100-gram serving giving you 96% of what you need for the day. Antioxidants work by neutralizing those damage-causing free radicals before they can harm your heart cells and artery walls, which helps stop plaque from forming in the first place. The science is clear. Low levels of selenium are linked to a higher risk of heart disease. But selenium isn't working alone. Sardines also contain other protective goodies. While we're still learning about all of them, they are thought to have coenzyme Q10, a vital compound that not only fights that cellular rust, but also boosts energy production inside the tiny power plants of your heart cells. On top of that, sardines are rich in 2 amino acids, taurine and arginine. These aren't just for building protein. They are sophisticated molecules that help your blood vessels work better and support your body's own antioxidant defenses. This powerful mix of protective compounds works at a microscopic level, defending your heart from the very damage that leads to disease. Number 6. Uncover the great supplement lie. Millions of Americans pop fish oil pills every day, thinking they're getting all the heart-protecting benefits of fish in a simple capsule. But the science is starting to reveal a shocking truth. You might be wasting your money and missing out on the real deal. The sixth thing that will happen when you eat sardines is that you will uncover this great supplement lie. The power of the sardine doesn't come from one single ingredient that can be bottled up in a pill. It comes from the complex and powerful team of nutrients working together in the whole food. As we've seen, the heart benefits come from a whole crew of compounds doing their jobs at the same time. Fish oil pills, commonly taken for heart health, may not offer the same benefits as whole fish like sardines. The effectiveness of sardines comes from a team of nutrients working together, including omega-3s, calcium, vitamin D, vitamin B12, iron, potassium, magnesium, selenium, co-10, taurine, and arginine. These nutrients collectively fight inflammation, reduce cellular damage, and support blood vessels. Studies show inconsistent results for omega-3 supplements, leading the American Heart Association to recommend eating fatty fish over relying on pills. This is a team that a simple fish oil pill just can't assemble. Studies have shown that the results from omega-3 supplements are all over the place, and in some cases, they do next to nothing. The whole sardine provides a symphony of nutrients that fight inflammation, reduce cellular damage, and support your blood vessels in ways that isolated omega-3s just can't. This is why the American Heart Association consistently recommends eating at least 2 servings of fatty fish per week, rather than just relying on pills to get the job done. The sardine proves that when it comes to your heart, nature's original package is way better than anything you can get from a bottle. You just learned how the awesome minerals in sardines can help lower your blood pressure, clean arteries, and help to get the finest elements to keep you healthy. But now, let's talk about the shocking truth. Truth number 1. The salt trap. The very can that keeps the fish fresh and makes it so convenient also contains an ingredient that can send your blood pressure through the roof, potentially wiping out some of its biggest benefits. This is the salt trap, the first big dark side of this famous health food. Fresh sardines are naturally low in salt, but the canning process often involves adding a lot of salt to preserve them and add flavor, especially if they're packed in brine or a sauce. A single 100-gram serving of canned sardines can have 307 milligrams of sodium, which is 13 to 21% of your daily limit. If you're sensitive to salt or already have high blood pressure, this hidden salt can be a huge problem. This creates a battle inside your body. On one side, you have the potassium and omega-3s from the fish working to relax your blood vessels and lower your blood pressure. On the other side, you have the extra salt from the can making your body hold on to water, which increases your blood volume and raises your blood pressure. The convenience of the can comes with a hidden price. The way it's processed changes the fish's natural mineral balance, creating a high sodium to potassium ratio that isn't great for your heart. This doesn't mean you should never eat sardines, but it does mean that not all cans are the same. How the sardine is packed is just as important as the fish itself. Truth number 2. A painful surprise. For most people, the omega-3s in sardines are amazing at fighting inflammation. But for a growing number of people, this same fish can trigger an old and incredibly painful inflammatory disease. The eighth thing that can happen is the ignition of a painful fire that has nothing to do with your heart and everything to do with your joints. Sardines are extremely high in compounds called purines. When you eat purines, your body breaks them down into a waste product called uric acid. For most people, this is no big deal. But if you're genetically prone to it or your kidneys can't get rid of uric acid very well, it can build up in your blood. When the levels get too high, the uric acid can form tiny, needle-sharp crystals that get deposited in your joints, most famously in the big toe, triggering the intense, fiery pain of a gout attack. Because they're so high in purines, sardines are often on the do not eat list for people with gout, right next to organ meats, anchovies, and beer. While your diet isn't the only cause of gout, high purine foods are a known trigger for painful flare-ups. This creates another huge paradox. The very same fish that fights inflammation in your heart can, in the wrong person, cause severe inflammation in your joints. This shatters the simple idea that a food is either healthy or unhealthy, and is a powerful reminder that nutrition is never one size fits all. The sardines effect depends entirely on your own body's unique chemistry. Truth number 3. You may be exposed to industrial poisons. Maybe the most shocking risk of canned sardines has nothing to do with the fish itself, but with the industrial world it comes from. The biggest threats might be the silent poisons hiding in the can's lining and in the very water the fish swam in. The first hidden danger is bisphenol A, or BPA. This is a chemical often used to make the plastic lining inside food cans that stops the metal from touching the food. BPA is known to mess with your body's hormones and has been linked to a bunch of health issues, including infertility, some cancers, and heart problems. The scary part is that BPA can leak from the can's lining right into the oily fish, a process that can speed up when the can is heated for sterilization. And while many brands now sell BPA-free cans, some worry that the chemicals they use instead, like BPS, might be just as bad. The second industrial threat goes against what everyone believes about sardines. We're always told that because sardines are small and low on the food chain, they're safe from the heavy metal contamination that affects bigger fish like tuna. While that's usually true, it's not a guarantee. A 2018 study of sardines caught off the coast of Algeria found that the average levels of mercury, cadmium, and lead were higher than the legal limits set by European law. This one study is a huge warning sign that a sardine is only as safe as the water it comes from. The natural healthiness of the fish can be totally wiped out by pollution, turning a simple can into a potential container for industrial poisons. How to find a perfect can of sardines. The journey into the heart of the sardine can show us a food that is both amazing and complicated. It is, without a doubt, a superfood for your heart. Its incredible team of omega-3s, vitamins, and minerals offers a multi-level defense, cleaning arteries, stabilizing rhythms, and protecting cells in a way no supplement ever could. It's a nutritional powerhouse and a perfect example of the power of whole foods. But it's not a food without risks. The convenience of the can brings the salt trap, a hidden risk for high blood pressure. Its natural makeup contains the purine trigger, a source of terrible pain for people with gout. And its journey through our modern world exposes it to the silent poisons of chemical linings and polluted waters, while its role in the wild presents a huge ethical dilemma. The final verdict isn't to be afraid of the sardine, but to respect it. The answer isn't to avoid this fish, but to choose it wisely. To get all of its amazing benefits while avoiding the dangers, you just need to become a smart shopper. The perfect can of sardines, the one that gives you all the rewards with none of the risks, can be found by following this simple checklist. Choose sardines packed in water or extra virgin olive oil, not in inflammatory vegetable or seed oils. Pick brands that say "no salt added" to dodge the salt trap and protect your blood pressure. Look for cans that are clearly marked BPA-free to limit your exposure to industrial chemicals. Insist on a certified sustainable source, like those with the Marine Stewardship Council Bluefish logo, to make sure your choice helps protect the oceans. The humble sardine can is a perfect symbol of our modern food world, a place of incredible potential and hidden dangers. By arming yourself with knowledge, you go from being a passive shopper to an empowered guardian of your own health, ready to harness the amazing power of this tiny fish. And with that, we wrap up today's video. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. For more queries, I have also added some studies at the end of this video description. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Stay healthy. Stay fine.